Do you want to make this scene? Watch the video until the end. Hello. First, you add force from the Scene Properties menu and increase the gravity to 10. From Physics Properties, we increase the strength to 100. Then we add the model to which the balloon is applied. And we make it smooth. Then from Cloth, we activate the pressure and increase it to 10. And reduce gravity to 0. Then we activate collision. Then we are increasing the number of models. Then let's do it. Then we create the background for the scene and adjust the position of the camera. Now let's add some camera effects. First, we put a keyframe on the first position. And we move to the second position, and we put another keyframe. Then you can see the result. And then we choose the materials of the models through this wonderful add-on. See you in another video.